Welcome back to Flutter Flow tip number 4. We're going to touch on how to adjust the styling for text fields with focus state. So as you can see here, this is not a generic style. This background property does not exist for editing a focus state in Flutter Flow. You can adjust the border and you can adjust the error state, but you cannot adjust the background color when it's focused. So as you can see, this is what you get generic, right? You get this boring, just the border and just the cursor out of the box. We want this immersive feel where you get the background color also changed. And so when we come here, we will select both of our text fields here. We need to do two things. First, we need to update page on focus change. Okay, this will say, hey, when the focus is changed on this text field, update the page. So update things on the page. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to then set this background color from a variable. So if you scroll up here, as you can see, we have focus border color. We do not have focus fill color, right? Select the orange variable, come down here, conditional value. The condition will be widget focus state. All right, so this is my email text field, and I'm just going to say when the email text field has focus, we're going to give it the accent 1, and when it doesn't have focus, we're going to give it the secondary background. All right, sweet. That's awesome. I'm going to just copy and paste that. Now, if we didn't do this, right, update page on focus change, then the background color actually wouldn't change when we made it active, right? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna just toggle the password off, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, so we have our email, right? So test@test.com, and we go down to password. And as you can see, it initially changes, but when we change focus, right, when we get outside of that, it's not going to change. You have to actually click, right? So if we utilize the keyboard to exit that and we don't access anything else on the page, this won't change. So we don't want that to happen, right? We want it to, when the focus is changed, we want the page to update. So just toggle that on, right? Toggle this update page on focus change, keep it toggled on, and there you go. Super easy, really awesome, and a fun way to make the highlighted or the focus text field stand out to your users.